Drilled. Good save there. He gains the zone.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Clean win on the draw. HV71's in possession as they travel through center ice. Passing one off now to Berglund. Into the attacking end. Taken over again.
I like high event games. This start is...
Breakaway! HV71's getting to the neutral zone. Little ahead. Back to the point. Broke it up well with the poke check. Lin Choping setting things up in the defensive zone. Shot down the ice, and it's an icing. Quick work on the faceoff. Nicely received at the point. Fires! Oh, a save there. Picks it up back there. Lin Choping's getting an attack ready in their own into the zone. What a stop.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save. Playing net better than anyone right now. He's doing whatever it takes to keep the puck out of the net.
A little over 5 minutes left to go in the period. Still knotted at zeros. Quick work on the faceoff. Great opportunity denied. Makes that play deep. HV71's got it along the side. He's got that pass at the point. He gets that pass ahead in stride. Scorches one, and he missed it.
That's as hard as a shot I've seen in a long time. That just missed the net.
Good quick poke check there. And he gains the zone. On the outside, a shot. Waffle boarded. The clock has bled down to the last minute. Gains the zone. And the pickup. Into the neutral ice area. A shot. Solid pad save.
Lin Choping's fans got back on their feet after watching the replay of that massive save on the big board. I don't think we're going to see a bigger save than that the rest of the night.
Quick shot. Got a piece of that one. That's the end of the first period, a period that only a goalie can like. Nothing.
Fans, take a look to the sky. The home team Zeppelin is loaded with prizes, headed your way all intermission long.
Down, another period beckons here. What did you think of the first?
Doc, I know we have no score here, but I thought the period was pretty easy for both goaltenders. So what do the players have to do? Shoot for the middle of the net, maybe look for a second or third chance, then they might get a puck up on the board.
Blocked. Lin Choping's got it in their own end, driving toward the neutral zone. Goes to the backhand. Just got his pad on that one. Muscled long to Larson. HV71's moving the puck through center ice. shoots one. What a move on that one with the stick. Has it picked up. HV71 setting things up along the boards. Mashed in. Nice job to get it from the boards to center. What outstanding save with a glove.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Loose puck regathered by Larson. Not a long pass, but effective. He's got it. And they've got it again. HV71's controlling play through center. Good job with the poke check. And play is stopped for a penalty.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. Player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Face-off win here.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 6 minutes, 7 seconds.
HV71's moving the puck through center ice. Wonderful save. He scores! We've got a score in the game other than 0-0 now.
The goaltender was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on top of him.
This shot just overpowers him. He's in the right position. He stops a big chunk of it, but not enough as the puck's in the goal.
HV71's been dominating play. They didn't have a lot to show for it, but they've now broken the top. Neutral zone face-off one. Possession established here.
By number 16,
Right to the point.
42, Dylan Reese, and by number 50,
Moves it to the corner.
Harrison Wenzel. Time of the goal,
That pass in the corner.
57 seconds.
Lets it go. Gains the zone, and he's in. Terrific glove save. Held there for a face-off coming up next.
That's a good stop for the goaltender to make on the odd man rush, but the shooters have to be better than that.
A little under 9 minutes have transpired in the period. Only one goal hanging on the board so far, so it's 1-0. Trying hard to get it out of the zone. Fired away and back down. Laid on to Roy. Pitching this one to Berglund. Good job with the stick. On to Roy. B71's looking to headman up the wing. Onside. With a strong wrist shot. Great glove save.
Oh, if you're a shooter, you don't want to see the goaltender flash his glove like that.
Pitching it to Carlson. In all alone. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. Hanging. Lin Chopin's in their own end, hoping to make a play to center. Gets in. What'll he do? Up the wing, still with possession and with hope. Terrific hand-eye. Gets behind the net. Does he have anybody in front? Takes that pass from the other point man. All a part of generating an offense. A little pass off from the goal. Wristed one. Got that in the trapper.
That was all.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
HV71's in their own end, lugging it along. Gains the zone. Around through the corner. Turn the wrist shot. Oh, lightning quick and a terrific save. Point blank save.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
The last minute of the second period. Puck picked up. Fires. He scores just before the period ends.
to generate offensive opportunities, you have to get inside the face-off dots. You got to find those soft spots in the defense in order to generate and score goals like that.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat on the ice.
Scored by number 40, assisted by number 13, and by number
40 minutes.
Every playoff game, our team store brings you our item of the game. Stay warm and stylish here, priced at just $10. Make sure to stop off at any team
Lin Xiaoping's deficit became a tie, and it was on the strength of this goal scored very late in the period as we go to break. Still somebody in the box as this period starts, so the penalty kill will have to be strong. We're underway. Oh, broke. Gives he right down. Around through the corner. Score! A short-handed goal.
You want to score goals, you got
Sometimes the goaltender feels like his positioning is perfect and he's got the net covered. Guess what? He doesn't.
Lin Xiaoping, third period. Let's see what happens before time expires. And they take that neutral zone face-off. Nice straight stand-up poke check.
assisted by number 40, and by number 50.
He's got that point pass.
Time of the goal, 58 seconds.
Looking from the blue line. Lin Xiaoping's carrying it up the wing. Power play could have made a big difference, but did not.
Oh, they had a couple of really good chips, but weren't able to get it. So now that the power...
Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
He missed up.
Puck now possessed by Larson. Picks it up in his... HV71's in control of the puck along the side. And into another.
You got to keep your head up there.
Lin Xiaoping's lugging it along in their own end. Drives down the wing at center. Marched narrowly. A quick turnover by the defense. Can they keep it going here? Recollected. And moving up the wing. It off the blocker. Nice poke check by Berger. Puck loose. Good defensive positioning there. Puck went just outside the blue line, and so everybody has to get back. Goes back deep for it.
I know lots of people like high-scoring games. Well, actually, I'm one of them. But this has been almost like a well-played chess match. There's
score! And the game is even.
Berglund's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
goalies hate getting beaten up over the glove side. They think they're in position, and they feel that they can catch just about anything. Not this time.
HV71's tied the game here in the third period. Every shift will mean a lot now. And the face-off's won.
Scored by number 2.
Gets across, looks over his options.
By number 82.
And front. Score!
Time of the goal.
With the goal scorer right in front, it was tough for the goaltender to pick up the shot off the backhand.
Gustafson's reflexes usually are able to catch up to something like this, but Eddie, that's a perfect shot. Really accurate, just off the inside of the post.
HV71's got the lead now by period of play. It'll be a wonderful finish. neutralize face-off win.
Scored by number 20.
Lin Shoping's carrying it along the side.
By number 82 and by number 2.
Long pass ahead, and he's got it on his stick.
11 minutes, 55 seconds.
Fires. That's a brilliant save. Gets it back. Loose puck taken. Breakaway chance. Smart recovery by organizing back in the defensive zone. Flips a wrister. Piece of it. Rebound. Wrist one. Lin Shoping's leaving the defensive zone. Moved along and in. Turned on net. Got his pad on a changing shot. HV71's in possession as they move up the wing. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Nears. Up in the defensive zone. And right in front.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Great point-blank save. We are in the 60th. Good pass up that left wing, and he's got it. Has it in his own end. HV71's carrying it through center. Gains the blue line. Through the middle. Puck loose, now picked up. He's all alone. And that's the end of this one. The game has ended. So this was a close game that resulted in victory. It was all around in a terrific hockey game. We hope you liked it. We'll all look forward to next time. Good night from all of us.